Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see if we are receiving any money from outside of the country, but later date the dollar's rate will be changed, how it will be affected and how bank charges will be affected. Okay, if you supply the document, if you supply the product to any other, okay, to any other outside of the country, then if you're receiving the amount, if the rates are different fluctuation, then how it will be appeared in Tally ERP 9. Let's see. For example, receive payment from Akron Limited Singapore, a check amounted 7,500, bank charges $50, okay, which is credited to bank account. Definitely bank charges will be credited to bank account, okay, means it will deduct from our bank. So first F12, first what we have to do, pre-allocate bills for payment or receipt. No. Okay, is there anything? Find it. No. Here pre-allocated bills for payment and receive should be no only. If it is no, then move forward. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one should be no. Okay, now go to the receipt voucher. If you are receiving voucher, F6, receipt voucher, here you have to take, if you are Akron company, Akron is our Sunday debtors, we are receiving how much? $7,500. okay, dollar symbol 7,500, okay, 7,500, but the amount are changed. Mean presently the dollar rate is, we have decided 7,500, earlier we supplied 7,500, but now that we are receiving 7,500, but dollar rate is changed, means 7,600. Now we are getting 3,45,000 against this one, 3,37,500. Accept against this one, credit. Okay, here what you have to do is, we have already created bank charges expenses ledger here. Okay, so here what you have to do is, in the debit, first take the bank charges. Here the bank charges, okay, bank charges is a $50. How you will create? In take in the dollar, no problem, or else you can take in rupees also, it will change automatically convert. For example, if you take into dollar, for example $50, 46 rupees, okay, how much it's showing? 2,300, okay, 2,300, but $50 about 46, okay, now okay, $50 into 46, 2,300. Here what you have to take, bank, ABC bank, how much? 3,42,700 we are getting, okay, we are getting 3,42,500, means Akron Company Limited send us $7,500 is approximately 3,45,000. Here is a detail, 7,500 into 46 is a present rate, it's total 3,45,000. okay, this is the bill we have sent, 7,500 for 30 days bill, 29 February, now it's 9 February, now it's 12 February, so 30 days, under 30 days. Then bank charges, we also bear bank charges 2,300 because bank is going to collect this amount. Now with the 46 2,300 bank charges, the bank we got only 3,42,700. this is how we have calculated, okay, 7,450 only we will get, and now the 7,450, 3,42,200 is 700. okay, the check number, if you have a check number you can write the check number. Okay, then accept the screen. This is how we receive money from another country, outside the country, to our business. Okay, this is the way from where you can receive any money in dollars, in dirhams, in PDs, in Leon, in pound and euros also. This is how we put into the Tally ERP 9. Accept the screen.